Hello all, welcome to another grand interesting video on Leansimcorp channel, and in this today's video we are going to understand about how to create a chatbot using Python. Okay, and that is going to be a great thing. Let us create that, understand about it, and it is a very important application right now to have a chatbots which can further integrated with any application using APIs so that it can help us get required outputs from that. So stay till end of the video to get maximum out of it, and we're going to have that really fun. So now what I wanted to say is that if you see here, we have already returned a definition chatbot which is going to print these details out there, and this is what you need to write in order to execute the chatbot thing. So when I just play this, so you should be able to see, hello, ask me something, type exit to quit. Okay, so this is how this is currently working. We haven't created it. We are now going to start creating it step by step. So before we go into it, let us understand what is definition chatbot. Okay, so building a chatbot from scratch often starts with a simple Python function, depending on your goals, whether you want a basic rule-based script or more advanced AI-driven assistant. Okay, and here is how you can implement definition chatbot. So this is the direct syntax which you need to use. Anything below which if you are going to use it is going to act as a chatbot. So if you just run this, it is going to print this right directly. Now what we're gonna do is we are going to put in one simple function, and that is going to be a while function, while loop. Here below this print, okay, I just put that while true, and I'm just going to put in some of the conditions out there so that you will understand how that basically works. Okay, so I just take that, I'll just control Z. Okay, so let me just take the if condition out here first. Here comes our if, and then I take another else if here. Okay, and here it comes probably. Okay, now if I just hit a play, okay, so we are going to get an indentation issue, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get this all pasted here. Okay, and I just enter this, and then I put in a chatbot end function which I mentioned at the start, and this is how it should look like, because why, then if, and then else if. Okay, now I'll explain you step by step what it is. So this definition chatbot is whatever you print inside this is going to act as a two-way communication. Okay, and how that gets activated is because of this while loop. Okay, now this while, what it is nothing but an infinite loop. In Python, a while loop repeats a block of a code as long as certain condition is true. Okay, so this is how you need to write while true, then this syntax, and then user input and things out here. We'll understand about this. This is a variable, and input is nothing but a function in Python which listens to the user. Okay, so we are going to use this while true loop, and this is going to keep this loop doing this forever unless we are going to hit exit, which is going to break this loop, or else it is going to keep on listening us, and the moment we're going to type it is going to answer that. So this is how you need to write. While you need to use user input, is going to be a variable. In that you're going to use input. Now input is called as a listener, and if you see in this listener, what it is going to do is, if I just play, you will be understanding that more better. So hello, ask me anything, which is printed from the chatbot itself here. Now when I just put in hi here, which you can see, which is already there here, else if hello hi, I'll just get, control Z. If I just put hi here and enter, I will get the hello, how can I help you today, right? But anything else, if I just put like hey there, nothing is going to come out because we haven't put anything out there. Now it's very interesting to look at. If you see, the code is not going to get or give us any error. If you see here, you didn't got any error, right? If you put again high here, it is just going to ask us to put in an input again and again, and that is only because of this while loop and the input thing. Okay, now here it is very interesting to look at. What is this dot lower? This dot lower helps us to standardize the code. It's a standardizer. Computers are very literal. To a computer, H capital and everything small, hello. Okay, everything small and hello, which is similar to this. And if I just make all capital, hello is different for the computer. So in order to have everything in the same format, we are going to make it as dot lower. So whatever input you get it here. If I type say capital, so Control Z, sorry, I'm just going in a code again. So here in the console, if I put capital high, still it is going to get me this, hello, how can I help you today? So that is the use of dot lower, which you need to use in this way as it is shown in a code. User input U, how it has to be printed is what is in the double inverted comma dot lower. Now here the user input is only going, so this loop or chatbot is going to break and only if you put here exit. If you see I put here hey there, still it was asking me to put again and again because it didn't had anything to reply. But it was not also asked to exit, and that is where it was again and again getting us the thing to write. Now, if you put exit here, I'll just show you, it will end the code right away. So I'll just put here exit and I put it here. Goodbye, and if you see, you can see here PSC user Leansimcorp, right? So it has exited the code now, but if anything else you are gonna type, it is not gonna work. Now let us make a copy of a complete thing. Okay, I'll just take a complete syntax out there. So here comes our complete syntax. Okay, now if I just play this, probably if I type Flexsim in this now, okay, Flexsim, I get that, right? Flexsim is a powerful for simulation, modeling and modeling analysis. Again, this is already what we have fed it inside this. We have already entered this. So whenever you get a word Flexsim, okay, you are supposed to type this complete thing. Now again, let's say I am typing like this. I want to know about Flexsim. See, still if I put this complete letter, I want to know about Flexsim. I didn't put only Flexsim. I put I want to know about Flexsim. It is going to return me Flexsim is a powerful tool. What does that mean is, it is just going to look in for a keyword. Okay, if I get a keyword Flexsim, I am going to return this. That is the power of Python and scripting out here. Okay, so you don't have to say that, oh, if it is like this, the code is giving me an error and stuff like that. No, I want to know about Flexsim. I just entered. It took a keyword of Flexsim and gave me an answer that Flexsim is a powerful for simulation modeling and modeling analysis. Again, this is customizable. We will see that ahead in our tutorials in this Python or industrial automation and AI series. But for now, we are going to look at a very simplest example. So here, if you see, what I have done is, we already had this hello return, right? We now put it Python. We put it, if Python is a word we get in, we are going to reply this. That Python is great for automation, data analytics and AI. Flexsim, we are going to return this. Bottleneck, we are going to return the bottleneck is a machine with the highest utilization. And else is also there. So now in the previous examples, if you could have seen, we didn't had else. So when I typed in hey there, he didn't reply. Now see, I am typing again hey there. Okay, now he will reply because we have an else condition as well that I am still learning. Can you rephrase that? Because this is not there in his dictionary now. So that's where the importance of else is also there in Python. When you create this chatbot. So this is what you need to have a format when you create a chatbot. Definition chatbot, you need to have a while loop with two variables, inputs, dot lowers, Then you need to put in a if condition with exit condition as well, because you need to end the code as well, because you cannot exit this code anyway. You would exit another code. This while loop is going to get ended. Then we have else if, all different conditions, and then we have else, and then we need to put the syntax of chatbot, so it would act as a chatbot. Because if I just remove this, for your information, I'll just show you this. Okay, you are not going to have this chatbot initiated. So this syntax is very important at the end of this script. Okay, so now I just save this, and we have this chatbot thing already. Let me know how this video was for you. If you are new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe to Leansimcorp, because we are bringing very exciting educational content related to AI, ML, industrial automation, simulation, digital twin. And do not forget to like our videos, guys, and share this with your friend who do not love Python, because he's definitely going to love it then. So see you there in another video where we are going to create a chatbot with GUI. Okay, so this chatbot currently, if you see, it is working at the terminal end, right? I want a chatbot where I'm going to create, I need to have a application open where I type in the answers and I get the answers out there, just like a chatbot, ChatGPT and stuff like that. Let's see that in the next video. So stay tuned on Leansimcorp. See you then. Bye-bye.